They call me अच्छा वाला गुंडा. इस शो में मेरा नाम रह गया है. I think मम्मी पापा अरमान all three realize I'm the black sheep and this has never been difficult. I want to have the whole Pablo lifestyle. I'm Pablo, इसको मार.
Early life, when you get success, the personal life gets impacted.
Fully. 2013 onwards, there was something special with the person, and till 2019 it worked. And then suddenly वो टूट गया. Fortunately, unfortunately, उस time पे I was doing music for Kabir Singh. Utmost modesty से बोलता, I believe I am the Shah Rukh Khan of music.
लड़ पड़ा लकीरों से पर कुछ भी.
One song of yours you secretly wish people hyped more.
ख्वाहिशें from Calendar Girls. कहाँ ले आई ख्वाहिशें.
Heartbreak hits harder at 2 a.m. or 2 p.m. When does it hit harder?
I think heartbreak hits a musician every second, in every note and every lyric. तो मेरे लिए time नहीं है. वो एक अरसा बीते जा रहा है अंदर. You don't even know how heartbreak hits artists. It's crazy.
Brother
What's
Amal,
up?
welcome. Happy New Year.
Good to see you.
Good to have you. Let's go.
चलो.
Excited?
Very.
आजा. Today we are with someone whose music has been part of the Indian film industry. We have been listening to it, we've been enjoying it, we've been fans of him, but now we are also fans of his personality. Amal Malik, welcome
Thank
to
you, sir.
Dubai
This means
Journey,
a lot.
brother. If I
So
have to
sweet.
introduce you, the first thing I would say is a music director, a composer, a lyricist, a singer, arranger, background music, then all of this. But now, brother, you were part of a show, a reality show, and a lot of people saw you as who you are, your personality, and they love you, brother. So congratulations on all the hard work in the music industry, but also the courage to come up, on a reality show and just being yourself.
I think for us, all of the people who ever came on the reality shows is not to like butter you or say it ऐसे, but आप सामने तो बोलना है मुझे. We all began seeing what reality show is when you started doing it, and उससे ही धीरे धीरे I've seen and grown up, and I felt कि कहीं ना कहीं, people used to always feel कि ये बंदा Instagram पे बोलता है, Twitter पे बोलता है, interviews में बोलता है, असली में दम है कि नहीं, क्या एक doubt था लोगों को भी. So I was like, मैं जैसा हूँ वैसा बनता हूँ, and I think people loved, hated, but overall, I think now coming out of it, I'm getting insane love. So it's beautiful.
Yeah, man. Like it's so when you do Big Boss, right? For example, it's for people who you don't know or who are trying to figure out success or want to be famous,
Yeah.
unke liye, it's a win-win, right? But I feel for a lot of people who are established, and this is when I'm talking about you, you're in that bracket, you're established. Already there's respect.
Yeah.
Already there are big production houses.
You can lose the respect.
who are saying ये गाना अमाल से करवाते हैं.
हाँ.
And, who will be the music? अमाल करेगा. And suddenly you see there's a risk of losing that.
Everything, yes.
Because in Big Boss, if people don't like who you are,
Then it can
it's
all
a big
go.
risk, right?
बिल्कुल. This I understood being in this industry. और मैं interviews में भी एक दो बार मैंने बोला ऐसा इंसान का काम और उसकी रीढ़ की हड्डी और जो है
वो अलग है.
सेपरेट करना मुझे भी लाइफ में टाइम लगा. You love people, the work they do, but how they are as a person,
Yeah,
and how they treat their people around, उससे मैटर करता है कि वो यानी आप उसको पसंद करते हो कि नहीं एंड में.
So welcome to Dubai Journey. You come to Dubai pretty often.
A lot. I feel it takes 2 hours from Yari Road to reach Bandra. It takes the same time to reach Dubai. So I take Juhu Circle left and Dubai.
In Dubai.
It feels like a home away from home.
As soon as you land in Dubai, what's the first thing that you have to do?
For me, there is something called Hassan Matar.
Hassan Matar, yaar. But Hassan Matar from which one?
I don't know the exact place, but मेरा एक दोस्त है जो मेरे को यहाँ पे एमिल करके एक दोस्त है रहता है.
Oh my God.
तो मरीना से मैं उसके घर जाता हूँ, पिकअप
Hassan
करता
Matar.
और मेरे को ले जाता है one of these shops where all these people make this, and इतना yummy है वो एक चीज. That's the
आते ही
beginning
ना.
of the trip.
That is, are you a foodie?
Fully. Big Boss की वजह से पेट थोड़ा कम हो गया, but I live to eat.
तो And what is your first memory of Dubai?
So मेरे लिए so this place is really special क्योंकि पहली बार like when I was introduced to the world as a musician was when Jai Ho was premiered here. Salman Khan premiered his movie here. उसमें मेरा debut था as a music composer and Arman as a singer.
Oh my
So 2014 में पहली बार fully clean shaved 23-year-old me और 18-year-old Arman यहाँ पे मैदान होटल में और इतनी ब्यूटीफुल मेमोरी थी. वी गॉट एक्साइटेड, यू नो, सीइंग व्हाट रूम में जाके देखा डियर मिस्टर मलिक वेलकम टू योर रूम. इतनी सी बात पे टुडे आल्सो टेल अरमान ब्रो, इतनी सी बात पे कितना खुश हुए कि हमें कोई जानता है. एंड वहां से लेके देन 2020 में व्हेन लॉकडाउन हैपेंड, माय फर्स्ट म्यूजिक वीडियो ऑन माय फेस. यानी मैंने बहुत गाने दूसरों के लिए किए बट नेवर sang and featured in them till 2020. 6 years I did only music for films.
Okay.
And independent songs जिसमें you know like Arman is there or actors like Imran Hashmi were there. But खुद के face पे पहला गाना खुदरा डेजर्ट पे I did in Dubai. So another innings change happened here. And now Big Boss के बाद also the next decade of my life begins. That's also from Dubai. So Dubai is like, it holds a very special place for me and my family.
You were born in a music family.
Yes.
All right, like, and sometimes when you're born in a family where there's a legacy, it can be a boon because of course the skill is there. You know, if there is anything that has to be, अगर कोयला है तो उसको हीरा बनाना आसान हो जाता है उस फैमिली में, लेकिन प्रेशर भी होता है.
बिल्कुल. आई थिंक ये जो फिल्म मैंने आपको बताई, मैं पूरा फेल हुआ उस प्रोजेक्ट में क्योंकि आई डिडंट नो व्हाट कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट म्यूजिक का है. 23 साल में आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. फ्रॉम वेयर आई बिगैन, लोगों को वो पहले का नहीं दिखता. उनको लगता है अरे शुरू हुए, सलमान खान की फिल्म मिल गई,
क्या बात है,
पापा ने फोन कर दिया होगा, इनको मीटिंग मिल गई. ये चीजें काफी बिग बॉस में भी बाहर आई कि हम लोग नेपोटिज्म और ये सब दोनों भाइयों को बोला. एक कंटेस्टेंट है, द गाय हु वन इट, गौरव सेड दैट. तो मेरी एक धड़ाधड़ लड़ाई हुई एंड आई सेड मैं एक ही जो नेकेड ट्रूथ ले डाउन कर सकता हूँ और मुझे कोई डर नहीं इस बात का. उन्होंने पूरा समझाया उनको.
तू जो अपना स्ट्रगल का कैरेक्टर दिखाता है, फिर वो भी हम बोल सकते हैं कि वो एक कैरेक्टर, एक पैटर्न है. That is your opinion. If you think I'm trying to exaggerate my struggle.
I said 11 साल की उम्र में, 9 साल की उम्र में अरमान was on Little Champs reality show. Coming from a Malik family, everything, he went to that route. वो रास्ता उसने चुना. Did jingles and ads, रिन शक्ति, ये वो सबके वॉइस ओवर्स करता था बेचारा for 10,000. I have worked in jingles, worked with सलीम सुलेमान, संदीप चौटा, इतने लोग. एंड सरनेम की वजह से काम नहीं मिलता था. कितने लोगों को मलिक नहीं बोलता था तो मुझे स्टूडियो में आने देते थे. द मिनट आई सेड अमल मलिक, अरे ये तो गाना लेके अपने फैमिली में दे आएगा. सो देयर वाज सो मेनी सच फैक्टर्स कि जो दुनिया नहीं देख पाती. द प्रेशर ऑफ अ लेगेसी दैट अन्नू अंकल इज क्रिएटेड, और सॉन्ग्स लाइक यू नो थोड़ा सा प्यार हुआ है थोड़ा है बाकी, व्हिच माय डैड डिड. सो एंड व्हाट माय ग्रैंडफादर डिड सिंस 1951, ऑलमोस्ट 70 इयर्स की एक लेगेसी है. इट्स अमेजिंग कि यहाँ इस एनवायरनमेंट में आई वाज बोर्न और सामने सामने मुझे देखा कि यू नो म्यूजिक कैसे बन रहा है, लाइव म्यूजिक, ऑल दोस थिंग्स, सिटिंग्स, जैमिंग. बट जब मैं मैदान में उतरा टू बी एन असिस्टेंट ऑल्सो, कितने लोगों ने स्टूडियो से, मुझे जॉब मिला स्टूडियो में एंड देन दे रिमूव्ड मी. अरे वी जस्ट गॉट टू नो रिलेटेड टू दिस फैमिली, द अदर कंपोजर्स कमिंग हियर डोंट वांट यू इन द स्टूडियो. तो ये किसी ने नहीं देखा. ये बच्चा विद माय मॉम सपोर्ट, ऑब्वियसली शी इज बीन द बैकबोन. एवरी डे आई हैव गॉन टू महबूब स्टूडियो फॉर आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी डेज. एंड एट दिस टाइम आई वाज वर्किंग विद सलीम सुलेमान ऑन कॉकटेल, the background score.
Okay.
Saif, Deepika and
yeah,
movie.
What a nice, क्या music था.
तो वो जो पूरा club sequence है where she realizes that they are in love and the whole electronic music, I was called to specifically do that.
Oh wow.
I was known as the
And how old were you?
I was 22.
Oh nice.
21, 22. And
So
I think
good age to be working on big projects, yeah.
Yeah, first 2005 में ही my dad came up to me and I think it's very ballsy of him कि मैं नहीं कर पाता शायद कल मेरे बच्चों के साथ. He came at when I finished 10th standard, he said my father is dying, which is my grandfather, and he said मैं music नहीं कर पा रहा बेटा, and I need you to stand up and start working for this house. And 2005 was the year, and I'm grateful कि उन्होंने वो दम रखा to tell his son this. My first film I did was Sarkar with Amar Mohile. He gave me that break, Ja Govinda Govinda and all.
Govinda Govinda.
So that's the first time I realized कि अच्छा म्यूजिक सिर्फ लाइव नहीं, लैपटॉप पे स्टूडियो में ये गैजेट्स मुझे बड़े पसंद है. लाइक ये भी दुनिया है. I understood the blend of live and electronic, and वहाँ से जर्नी शुरू हुई. तो 2005 से लेके 2014 की जो 9 साल की स्ट्रगल है इस लड़के की, वो लोगों को नहीं समझी. And when I failed, lot of these big portals, आप म्यूट कर देना जो भी, सबने लिखा not a chip of the old block, cannot make music like अन्नू मलिक and डब्बू मलिक, कहाँ बनाएगा ये लड़का, बॉर्डर, रेफ्यूजी, टन 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 तारा, इतनी चीजें हुई. And I started studying MCom again suddenly because there was no work.
You started.
In the year I debuted, उसके बाद I started picking up my books because I was decently doing well in studies.
Okay.
I said MCom पढ़ लेते, इन लोग तो भाई write off कर चुके हमें. मासी को phone किया, and she beautifully, luckily she is in New Zealand. एंड इसका भी एक डिबेट हुआ रही, तुम्हारी तो मासी न्यूजीलैंड में, तुम्हारे लिए आसान है, ये भी किसी ने बोला.
Privilege है भाई,
मैंने
privilege.
बोला भाई उन्होंने अपनी आखिरी हस्बैंड वाइफ ने अपनी मोटरसाइकिल बेच के गए थे 25 साल पहले, आपको क्या समझाऊं मैं. So I was like, I decided कि मैं मैकडॉनल्ड्स या कोई पेट्रोल स्टेशन पे भी काम कर लूँ, पर ये म्यूजिक नहीं करूँगा जिस तरीके से इन लोग लिख रहे हैं. और धीरे धीरे समथिंग ब्यूटीफुल हैपेंड, अ फिल्म कॉल्ड खूबसूरत हैपेंड, जिसमें बाय चांस एक गाना कॉल्ड नैना नू पता है नैना दिखता है, एक गाना था सोना मोहब्बतरा, एंड अरमान song happened for me. And Suraj Dubai was the song which released on December 19th, 2014.
Yeah.
And I remember calling Bhushan Kumar, T Series head, and saying, "Sir, आपको एक बात बोलनी है." And he had already started giving me briefs for other films. I said, if this particular song ये नहीं चलता है, I will decide, and in my heart I know कि 8 years की उम्र से मैं म्यूजिक सीख रहा हूँ, मैं म्यूजिक को चुन चुका हूँ, बट म्यूजिक मुझे नहीं चुन रहा है. So now I will, this is make or break. And he's like, ऐसे नहीं होता है. I said, नहीं, मेरे लिए तो ऐसा ही है. And unbelievable. That song released, wherever I am today, I'm sitting with you, there's food on my table, loans have been paid, my father's alive, and seeing whatever's happening for both the boys, mummy is proud of it only because of that one song that came and didn't let me leave music.
And then finally you said in 2020,
Yes.
you said, yeah, I'm also going to sing.
Yes.
You always had the singing ability?
So I never learned singing. I became a
music.
singer. Yeah, I learned Trinity College of London piano. I did, obviously through Mumbai only. बाहर नहीं गया.
ये भी अच्छा है.
हाँ, London Mumbai बुला लिया हमने. So there's a institute in Worli. तो उधर foreign teachers come and take exams. So I did my entire training in Western classical piano. All the Beethoven, Bach, Mozart, Tchaikovsky, वो सब सीखा. My dad always wanted कि someone from the family learns how to read and write music, can converse with an orchestra, speak to foreign musicians. You know, tomorrow if I sit with, like I'd worked recently with Macedonia and Melbourne orchestras.
Wow.
तो मेरे को knowledge, वो चाहते थे कि कोई तो, अगर तुम लोग जाते हो इस लाइन में, पूरा prep होके जाना. क्योंकि dad and Annu uncle are natural talents. They never learned music.
Really?
Annu uncle knows how to play the harmonium, but reading, writing, how to, you know, decide कि वायलिन ये बजाएगा, वियोलाज ये बजाएंगे, वो सब चीजें उन्होंने ऑन द गो सीखी. मैंने वो सब चीजें सीखने की कोशिश पहले से की, so that when I enter fully prepared. So वो एक चीज हमेशा थी कि, you know, music, अरमान ने जो किया, he chose the singing path, and he completed his Visharat at the age of 14. And by 15 I completed Trinity College. Then somewhat of a flip happened. मैंने उसको एक iPod दिया एक दिन, जिसमें सारे English गाने थे. I said, ये भी एक दुनिया है. And he switched to John Mayer, Justin Bieber, all those things.
Wow.
And I don't know how went into working with the Bollywood world. And then दोनों भाइयों को, even dad had a vision, you know, कि I want you all both to get your due in different ways, because Arman is a spectacular singer and I'm a good composer. So I never thought कि मैं singer बनना चाहता हूँ. College में एक बार क्या हुआ कि मैं band में keyboards बजाता था. I was that kid with चश्मा, nerdy, playing the piano. मेरा main lead singer आया नहीं उस दिन. और
Like a movie.
Yes, and मुझे खड़े होना पड़ा कि आज गाना अमल गाएगा. And I sang my most favorite, मेरा hero in terms of my life, KK. And मेरी एक बहुत special connection है. A lot of songs that I assisted on and worked as a kid were his voice. So that man was the reason I started singing over his songs. वो जब बीते लम्हे ये वो गाने थे, I would sing क्या मुझे प्यार है over his voice, and that's how I started becoming used to कि मैं गा भी सकता हूँ. आज तक मेरी कोई formal training नहीं है. अब मैं शुरू करने वाला हूँ to learn singing. So I realized that certain songs and certain vibes suit my voice, और certain suit अरिजीत, अरमान, मोहित चौहान. तो मैं कभी गाने के साथ injustice नहीं करता हूँ. 4 ऐसे गाने मिले जिसमें मेरी आवाज सही थी, and I thought it's time, you know, my fans, I judged सारेगामापा, Little Champs also. So they were like, आप 3 महीने देखे और फिर आप हो ही नहीं. So I was like, चलो, time to time, this is my give back to them, you know, music videos करो. And that's how singing journey began. So as a singer, in the same movie where Arman and Salman Khan sang मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा was the song from Suraj's movie. एक और गाना था called ओ खुदा बता दे क्या लकीरों में लिखा.
That's you.
That was my first song in a film where I sang.
And you were like, okay.
And that initially didn't pick up because मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा was a very big song. कभी कभी मेरे अच्छे काम ने मेरे दूसरे काम पे खींचा है पीछे. बट धीरे धीरे एंड थ्रू दिस शो ऑल्सो व्हेन पीपल डिस्कवर्ड कि अच्छा ओ खुदा और रोके ना रोके और MS धोनी, द एंटायर साउंड ट्रैक हैड डन, they start realizing अच्छा this is the guy who does all this. And O Khuda, I would say film wise was the song that people heard and be like, were like, ये कौन है और ये किसकी आवाज है? And that really did it for me as a voice.
But are there times when you're like, no, this is my brother, man, I'm going to write a song because you know he's my brother?
When it's his independent music, he comes up to me and says कि एक album करना है, single करना है, and it's literally he gets me on works for hire. ऐसे मेरे लिए गाना बनाओ. But he is also so diligent as an artist कि वो भी समझता है कि क्यों मैं इस गाने के लिए उसे चुन रहा हूँ या नहीं चुन रहा हूँ.
Okay.
So that problem we've never had. There are times when he has sung, like he had sung कि तेरे लिए दुनिया छोड़ दी है. But I felt Arijit sounded right in that song. Then there was a song Besabriya from MS Dhoni, which was Besabriya रास्ते भागे, which is the coming of age of Sushant and Dhoni's character. वो पहले अरिजीत ने गाया था, but it didn't work and अरमान की वॉइस में वर्क हुआ. So usually तो मैं श्योर रहता हूँ कि ये इनका गाना है. Where I worked with Mika और विशाल ददलानी also और नीरज श्रीधर, 90% of the times वो कास्टिंग सही रही है मेरी, क्योंकि मैं गाने के लिए सोचता हूँ हमेशा. I never see कि अच्छा मैं गा दूंगा, मेरे शोज हो जाएंगे, अब अपने भाई को दे दूंगा, हमारे घर के.
That you've seen in your life. Now, actually, I'll tell you what, because you're third or fourth gen in your family in music. You know that even a music director or a music composer eventually gets his due.
Yes, it
Right?
takes time for our community to come up, but
they
get
get their due, because you know, and eventually now that you can own your music, now there are so many different platforms.
Fully.
You get royalty. It's crazy.
It's
It
lovely.
wasn't
It's
there
all,
during
we're
your
in the midst of the beginning of everything.
yeah, because
We never had a music industry. यानी आप देखो हम film industry है और उसमें music एक subset रहा है हमेशा. It was only till like a point कि सोनू निगम did is that अब मुझे रात दिन और
अब
तन्हा
मुझे
दिल,
रात
which Shan did.
Yeah.
These were the eras that were opening pop music. फिर वो भी suddenly remixes में चला गया, like बिन तेरे वो सब होने लगा. But slowly, steadily, 2015 से ही indie pop became really big, and lockdown के बाद तो it's like
crazy.
the hit can come from anywhere. Doesn't matter label हो, बड़े star हो, connect हो गया. Obviously subject to huge differences, marketing भी होती है, but अच्छा गाना कहीं से भी आ सकता है.
हाँ, और वो पहले आपने रिलीज किया एज अ फुल वीडियो, बट कहीं उसके 15 सेकंड एक रील पे चल गए, फिर वो रील चल गई, फिर वो गाना कुछ
चल
भी हो
गया,
सकता है,
बिल्कुल.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. वो डांस स्टेप चल गया तो वो
बिल्कुल
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
So the trick is to obviously make music understand कि लोगों को ये short form content पसंद है, and you know they are not interested in long narratives. But कहीं ना कहीं अगर connect होता है, value है lyrics में, melody में, तो even if you see today songs like मेरे खुद का एक गाना called चले आना on अजय देवगन था, किसी ने नहीं माना था. 6 मिनट का गाना था. Even in 2019 it was too long a song.
Wow.
You know the labels, directors, everyone भाई 4 मिनट कर दे, ये कैसे स्ट्रीम होगा, नंबर्स कैसे आएंगे. आज 1 बिलियन स्ट्रीम्स है, व्यूज 300 मिलियन है, बट स्ट्रीम्स 1 बिलियन है.
Oh my God.
सो कोई रूल ही नहीं है. आई थिंक वो 30 सेकंड की ऑडियंस बिल्कुल पसंद करती है टू स्क्रॉल एंड मूव, बट कुछ अगर कनेक्ट कर जाए और उन लोग आ जाए आपके गाने को सुनने, देन आई थिंक लेंथ से ज्यादा इट्स लाइक कितना आपने यू वन देयर हार्ट एंड यू केप्ट देम इंटरेस्टेड.
Alright, tell me, what's the genre that's most authentic to you?
I think in India is that genre explain करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है लोगों को, but यानी I can do it all in terms of sound production, but what I love doing and what people also connect me, और मैं थोड़े utmost modesty से बोलता, I believe I'm the Shah Rukh Khan of music. मेरे को लगता है romance is a space, whether it's a EDM-ish song or a club track which has romantic words, or it's a complete ballad like which is done well, like a बोल दो ना जरा या कौन तुझे, ऐसे गाने. People love that aspect to me, and I also love to give that back in my music, क्योंकि वो एक चीज़ है जो naturally flow होती है. I am a hopeless romantic in life, but genre wise I can do drum and bass, I can do Afrobeat, I know electronic, there is complex throw, there are so many lo-fi, everything. If I hear the song, mentally मैं break down कर सकता हूँ इसमें क्या क्या layers हैं, and 15 minutes में I can have something similar.
Wow.
So that is me as a music producer, but as a composer creator, I think romance and love songs I really love doing.
Growing up, who was your inspiration?
Very varied list है, आप सुनोगे.
But did it start at home? Did it start with dad? Did it start with Tayaji?
So I was not fan of both of them growing up. They both, whenever they
So
sing
you're
this-
not singing chari 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 chari.
No, now I do. Now when my friends make me imitate Anu Uncle, I do it. Chup
do-
chup ke tum mela karo.
Does your Tayaji say stuff to you when you imitate him?
I don't think he does say anything. He laughs it off.
Huh.
But I
So,
think मुझसे ज़्यादा दुनिया करती है ये.
Who did you look up to then?
I-
It's difficult not to, because if you've grown up in the 90s, in
Yeah.
80s, 90s in India, it was a huge phenomena, man.
legendary
Legend,
kind
right?
of work. I think
Yeah.
93 से 2004 और 11 साल till मैं हूँ ना, the kind of work, almost 3,000, 4,000 songs. I'm still at 130 and I'm like,
हो गया
थोड़ा
भाई, हो
करते
गया।
और धीरे से. फिर मेरे era में there was obviously a lot of music that was on Shah Rukh Khan, which I loved. I was obsessed with Jadoo. I had a Totla Zaban also. I used to sing Dadu Teli Najal. But I was obsessed with that Yashraj kind of music, which was immortal and forever. And kahin na kahin, Western classical सीखते then there were influences like Elton John, there was Eric Clapton, Enrique, then Michael Jackson, obviously.
Of course.
Background scores में Hans Zimmer, Harry Gregson Williams, बहुत range of different. And then in the teenage space, when I started growing up, I think Pritam, Salim Suleiman, Shankar Ehsaan Loy, and Vishal Shekhar. These have all been people that I've heard growing up.
And they're still relevant, bro.
Completely.
Still relevant.
And they are the people, you know, I look up to and I respectfully feel that मुझे अगर कहीं, if I want to respectfully compete, that is the league.
On your wish list, couple of Indian artists and couple of international artists that you want to collab with.
So I had the opportunity to do 3 global collaborations. I've done the Indian version of Dua Lipa's Levitating,
Okay.
which is really big. It's part of her EP also.
Wow.
Official India remix Dua Lipa ka I did.
तो वो एक टिक हो गया
वो
wish
एक
list,
हुआ.
bucket list, हाँ.
And then there was this band which we grew up on back in the day, U2.
Yeah.
So Beautiful Day का Indian version भी मैंने किया है by the band. We had a video call with Bono and we did the whole so unbelievable
My
thing.
God.
तो मैं बच्चा था और मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है. This is a few years back, but सुनते सुनते जिनके गाने I've got to work with them. Obviously, I love someone. People don't really know much about him except a few, you know, थोड़े artsy उसका following India में. Post Malone.
Post Malone,
I
of
like
course.
his music. I like Weeknd. And if I have to say any dream collab, I think it would be Bruno Mars.
Ooh.
That is someone Arman, everyone, all our friends also love.
Well, once you have hits, once you're young and you have hits, अब
Yeah.
हो गया. I mean, you're really young. Is there pressure again कि अब तो hit कर दिया, अभी अगला गाना अगर hit नहीं हुआ, then again people are like, अरे one hit wonder, this and that. So is there, how do you deal with that pressure?
ये इंडस्ट्री में आई हैव
stay
अंडरस्टूड कि
consistent.
3 स्ट्राइक रूल चलता है जो मैं भी जिंदगी में अप्लाई करता हूँ. पहले जब सूरज डुबाई किया, हाँ फ्लूक है, नया है, हो गया, कुछ कर लिया इसने. दूसरी बार क्या, अच्छा मेहनत किया, अच्छी बात है. तीसरी बार क्या, अरे भाई इसको काम आता है यार.
oh,
तो ये
so it's
सबके साथ है. इट्स ओनली आफ्टर द थर्ड टाइम दे आर लाइक, अच्छा नाउ कोई आया है.
Oh. That's
But when I did that song only, it was funny because Pritam sir called me after Suraj Dubai to congratulate me and said कि बेटा मुबारक हो, बड़ा फंस गए तुम. मैं बोला क्यों सर, अभी 20 बार तुमसे यही उम्मीद होगी कि तुम सूरज डुबाई बनाओगे.
Yeah.
So I literally played it smart. I would say it was risky. I had 20-25 films after Suraj Dubai and I said no to all because they only wanted EDM and club numbers. I said मैं नहीं करूँगा. इस चक्कर में बहुत बड़े लोग upset हुए. But I was like मेरा एक अलग side है, which was मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा, या मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ. Then कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा, बोल दो ना जरा, चल वहाँ जाते हैं. All these kind of songs which I wanted to put out in the world. I was like मैं DJ नहीं हूँ यार, मैं EDM करता हूँ, मैं knowledge रखता हूँ of that genre because I've grown up on Avicii and Swedish House Mafia also. But that's what it was. It's like कि मुझे टाइपकास्ट नहीं होना था and बहुत रिस्की था. पहली फिल्म के बाद ही इतना अच्छा, you know, won the
So
film
you
fare.
were conscious of it. You
Everything.
were
I
conscious
understood
of it.
this, that they were trying to put me in a box.
Yeah.
And I was like, money सब ठीक है, पर मेरे को genre change करना है. पहले I want to show 2-3 different spaces, then I'll do it again.
Was there too much pressure that you have to earn?
Yeah.
But because you're saying money, and if you could say no to it, that means you didn't take the pressure of earning.
There was, but I had to fight that also. Mom also understood that. Dad also understood.
You're fairly young, and in early life when you get success, the personal life
Yeah.
gets impacted.
Fully.
हुआ?
बिल्कुल, यानी दोस्तों के साथ वक्त कम. Even when I started
Relationships, friendships.
बिल्कुल.
You don't have time for them. Like a natural person has, you know, those teenage years and 20s to like find out who that person is in a relationship or in a
Yeah,
friendship.
completely. 2013 onwards, there was something special with a person, and till 2019 it worked. And then suddenly वो टूट गया. There was obviously मेरे line of work, एक assumption of मेरी क्या religion है, बहुत factors की वजह से वो एक families and misunderstanding से हट गई वो चीज़. 6 साल के एक serious रिश्ते को मैं नहीं निभा पाया. It really broke me. And fortunately, unfortunately, उस time पे I was doing music for Kabir Singh also. So my life trajectory,
Wow.
luckily God has always made me, go through tough times, but given me something on the other side also to channelize those emotions.
Was it a
happening.
conscious effort that, you know what, conscious thing that, no, I also want to sing, I also want to do shows, I also want to be a star or a known person? Or why did Big Boss happen for you?
I think for Big Boss, yeah, Big Boss happened in a way कि मैंने music videos और सब किए, life was going good, but एक चीज़ थी, हमेशा ये एक सवाल था कि और दोनों भाइयों को तो वो confusion तो आज भी चलते रहता. अभी उसको अमल बुला रहे लोग, कभी मुझे अरमान बुलाते थे.
Also, you have the family
we
looks,
do.
right?
तो we decide
you
also.
look like
मैंने
each
उसको
other.
बोला मैं ज़्यादा दाढ़ी रखूँगा, तू कम रख.
तू कम रख.
हम लोग में चलते रहता वो कमांडर. But Arman was the one to push me for it. It's unbelievable. People may not understand it.
Why?
But he said, Aman,
Brothers
तूने
only
सब
push
कुछ-
each other, bro.
लोग अलग ही
else?
सोचते जिंदगी में हमारे बारे में. They don't get what we share. So he came up to me and said, तूने कितना कर लिया? पापा मम्मी को जितने म्यूजिक अवार्ड्स थे इंडिया में सब आ गए.
आ चुके हैं.
तूने मेरे को इतने सही गाने देखे. You put me. He's like, now think for yourself. He's like, now dream for the 15-year-old Amal Malik. And that opened my mind. It was my own brother who said, now it's time. He's like, छोड़ ये सब ना. You sing, you do music videos. I was reluctant. I was like, पर मैं गाने तो इतने अच्छे गाता नहीं हूँ. खराब कर दूंगा. He's like, so sometimes you have to make music for your voice.
Yeah.
So work on that. And it came from him. And then Big Boss was a thing that ना मम्मी पापा ना अरमान तीनों नहीं चाहते थे मैं करूँ. और
Because they're like, ये मुफट है.
हाँ
जाए
कि
कुछ
भाई
बोल दे.
नीलाम कराएगा इज्जत पूरी की पूरी. मलिक खान मैंने एक्चुअली करी दी है. मैंने आके फिर हाथ जोड़ लिया. मतलब सॉरी, लोग भिड़ रहे थे, मैंने धमाकेदार जवाब दिए. उसमें निकल गई बातें. But once through the season, through the mid, when he came into the family week, he said, bro, I am so happy you did this. He's like, मुझे लोगों ने starting में, there was a hate campaign, there were a lot of things that I
really?
did wrong.
Okay.
उसकी चीजें, क्योंकि आप एक चीज करते हो, you don't realize उस घर में वो national news बन जाएगा, international news बन जाएगा.
Yeah.
And when you do something, 6 months हो गए थे बाकी सब contestants को अपना contract lock करके. So their PR, stylist, everything was in place. मैं 3 रात पहले आया हूँ इस शो में. मैं 5 साल से ऑफर किया जा रहा था, but I didn't have the time window and not the mindset. I was like, भाई ऐसे बाबा बूबा लोग आते सुसु फेंक देते, मैं मार दूंगा. तो I told the channel, I said, ऐसा कोई आया तो मैं मारूंगा, पैसे भी नहीं लौटाऊंगा आपको. तो you decide if you want me, क्योंकि मैं अलग प्राणी हूँ. So they were like, no, we have decent classic public भी आ रही है, you come. And I went for it. And I went in like this, bro, पूरा down phase में. And that was the point. I was having a lot of differences between mom and me, and Arman and my relationship was getting quite affected because of मम्मी पापा के expectations कि इसकी जर्नी ऐसी तो तुम्हारी भी ऐसी होनी चाहिए. तो दोनों भाई इतने क्लोज, पर दोनों को ये था कि भाई हम जब मिलते हैं इनकी बात यही होती है.
कि तेरा क्या होगा
तो
भाई, इसका तो हो
कालिया.
गया. Oh my God.
तो तेरा क्या होगा कालिया होता था मेरे साथ. So they also understood that this man is going through this, and he put it out on social media. 3 साल पहले my dog passed away. So many things. तो when Ansem, who's my chow chow, he's no more. उसका birthday अभी last week ही मैंने celebrate किया. When he passed away, ये सब जो मैंने अंदर रखा था ना इतने साल, the loss of that breakup, movies, losses, struggle, sacrifice, dad के सपने अपने बना, सब कुछ ऐसे फट के निकल गया. And then I put a post to explain to my fans, क्योंकि 2-3 साल से मैं live नहीं गया. I did not do a single music video in 3 years. I didn't want to face the camera after him. And तो I felt कि चलो this is an opportunity where I step in. 106 दिन इन बच्चों को देखे मौका मिलेगा मुझे हर दिन देखने का. जैसा हो वैसा हो. इनके Instagram lives की मैं शिकायत दूर कर देता हूँ. हर दिन live ही आ जाऊंगा इनके लिए. And that's why I did it. The beautiful thing that happened is कि music connect हो गया मेरे face से. But जो एक raw real मेरी personality है, मैं बाहर आके मैंने सबसे पहली चीज मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड को पूछी, जैसे टेरेस पे बैठते हम लोग, मैं वैसे ही रहा ना या कुछ अलग. इसलिए इसी का तो डर था कि साला तू बदला ही नहीं है, you were the same.
Which is good because so this is what I've realized, because when you do a reality show, you're not playing a character. You're not playing Rahul or
Oh, there were a lot of people playing a character, bro,
Right.
in the show this time.
over a period of
Me and
years.
Basir were the only ones stressing कि भाई हम लोग गलत जा रहे हैं, इन लोग सही है, क्या हो रहा है?
So things are different, but the pressure wasn't as much as it is for people who come from family backgrounds. Like actors, big actors, their kids, like they have a lot of pressure, bro. If their films don't do well.
दोनों तरफ प्रेशर और स्ट्रगल और सब कुछ सेम है. थोड़ी कभी किसी को ज्यादा लगती है, किसी को कम, बट ऑब्वियसली व्हेन यू कम विद दैट बैगेज, लेगेसी एक बैगेज ही एक तरीके से. आप कैसे उससे, या तो लाइक इफ यू सी रणबीर और कपूर आल्सो, कितनी बड़ी लेगेसी से आता है बंदा, उसको क्या क्या करना पड़ा है.
पर उसने
His
तो
own
उस
father friend की
legacy
आपने
को-
बर्फी क्यों की, यू नो, इमेजिन.
But बर्फी यार.
बट वो इंसान खुद ही समझा कि मुझे ये करके अपनी वैल्यू अलग दिखानी है.
But
So sometimes your parents, your family can't see the light at the end of the tunnel जो आप देख रहे हो.
that's where the thing is. How are you an individual? Of course, your family name, your family has contributed in you becoming you. But
Fully.
how are you different from everybody else? And how difficult is that for you to have an individual personality and individual career? And because you've done that now, you and your brother.
I think mummy, papa, Arman, all three realize I'm the black sheep, and this has never been difficult. It's been like, भाई ये ऐसा ही है, ये अपनी आवाज सुनता है, एक inner voice और कर देता है चीज.
And it's worked for you
So
now.
fully. So I want people, even in my household, मैं बोलता हूँ मम्मी पापा अरमान, हम लोग सब collectively बात करते हैं गानों के बारे में, shows, जो चीजें. I said मुझे रात को पहले तो एक चैन की नींद सोनी कि मैंने किसी के साथ गलत नहीं किया, किसी का काम नहीं छीना, never tried to pull out someone from a project, put myself in, ये सब है नहीं. और दूसरी बात ये है कि जो डिसीजन लूँ, लेफ्ट जाए राइट जाए, आई शुड बी एबल टू ब्लेम माई सेल्फ कि हाँ मैंने ही किया ना, तो अब ये
बिल्कुल.
मेरी गलती है, मैंने सही किया. आई डोंट वांट टू बी पॉइंटिंग कि अरे पापा की सुन ली तो गलत हो गया, या मम्मी की सुन ली. दे कैन ऑब्वियसली डिजाइन द ग्राफ एंड से कि भाई हमने ये किया, वी वेंट थ्रू दिस, बी केयरफुल.
Yeah.
वो जो जर्नी लेनी है वो तो मुझे ही लेनी है और अरमान को ही लेनी है.
Now, when people start saying stuff about you and your brother,
Yeah.
what is the first thing that you do? Like there's some misunderstanding. They're not. Do you just call him and say, "Bro, what's going on?" Or you guys?
I think हम लोग की एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि वी बोथ नो वे आर द टू swords of this empire and we have to stand by each other no matter what. जो होता है हम लोग बात तो हर दिन हर चीज पे करते हैं.
Lovely.
उसको जाके लोगों ने बहुत बार ऐसा फील करा, अरे तुम तो ठीक ठाक सिंगर हो, तुम्हारे भाई ने हिट गाने दिए तो तुम बन गए. मेरे पास आके लोग उल्टा बोलते हैं कि
यार.
अरे तुम तो ठीक ठाक म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हो, वो फॉलोड है, आर्टिस्ट है, इंस्टाग्राम पे नंबर्स है, वो गाता है गाना तो तेरा हिट होता है. तो दुनिया तो एक दूसरे को हम लोग पिट करती रहती है
और
हम लोग हंसते हैं इस बात पे कि
Exactly.
भाई आगे बढ़ते हैं.
What was your childhood like? अगर म्यूजिक हटा दे तो क्या शरारते? Were you guys playing cricket together? Did you travel a lot?
So उसे तो बिल्कुल स्पोर्ट्स नहीं पसंद थे, मैं उसको स्पोर्ट्स करवाता था क्योंकि I used to play. If I had not been a musician, I would have been a cricketer. I was playing so much cricket. I've captained the Indian Airlines under-19 team.
अच्छा.
And बहुत डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल खेला है, फुटबॉल स्पोर्ट ही किड था मैं. वो तब आईपीएल होता अगर 2005-06 में तो वो भी ट्राई कर लेते.
मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है अगर आईपीएल पहले आता है ना,
थोड़ा सा पहले,
मैं
2-3
भी
साल पहले.
बास्केटबॉल छोड़ के क्रिकेट.
But that's what happened. I loved cricket and I used to always spend time playing that. अरमान को थोड़ा खिलाता था. He was since the age of 5 only into like so much singing. तो उसको मैं distract करके लेके आता था, चल let's play sports. But इतना शरारती था म्यूजिक के अलावा भी. When he was just 2 years old, I must be 6-7 साल, खुद पे उसने अपनी दूध गिरा ली थी. और मम्मी को मैं करके रो रहा था, देखो भाई ने किया ये, और कुछ नहीं किया था. तो और मैंने उसको इतना सा टच किया था, कभी 7 फुट दूर जाके गिरा था एक्टिंग में.
अच्छा जी.
और मैंने 2-3 चाटे खाए, मम्मी ने बहुत लफेड़े मारे, गिराए, बिठाए. तो मैंने बोला अब तो फंसाऊंगा इस बंदे को एक बार. तो एक दिन मैंने क्या किया, मैंने जानबूझ के एक ऐसे एंगल में उसको धक्का मारा ताकि मम्मी भी देख सके क्या हो रहा है. मैंने पकड़ लिया उसे, एक विजन था जो किचन से हॉल दिख रहा था. मैं बहुत प्यार से पुश किया. शी सॉ हिम गो लाइक द होल केस सीरियल वाइब, हाई स्पीड में पीछे गिर के, एंड देन शी सॉ हिम पूरा देख लिया. ही रियलाइज्ड ही इज बीन कॉट. उसे उस दिन 2 चाटे पड़े. एंड ही इज डन दिस पूरी जिंदगी. आज भी मैं उसको बोलता है सर बड़ा हो गया कि नहीं, या भी मम्मी को बोल देगा बात. इवन एट 30 ही इज सच अ प्रॉपर मम्मीज टीम कि कुछ भी गड़बड़ होगी पहले मम्मी को होता है, देखो मम अमल नहीं किया, ये हो रहा है. तो अभी उसको ब्राइब कर रहा हूँ मैं पिछले 2-3 साल से, देख ऐसा मत कर, मम्मी को मत बोल, पहले बात मुझसे कर ले.
What's next for you now, man? What are your fans
music
going to
is
see you
always
do
going to
next?
be there,
Of course.
and I think that is a beautiful thing. You know, लोग और जुड़े मुझसे शो में, और जितने भी लोग मेरे गाने they rediscovered the music after seeing me on the show.
Did you see a spike in your social
Full
media also?
Everything. So I was 3.9 million on Instagram. I reached 6 million.
Oh my God.
Then I was 12 million listeners on Spotify, monthly listeners. I'm 20 million now.
Yeah.
And I
That's the real value, right? Because
last year I had done Ami Je Tomar, एक जो था भूल भुलैया 3 में भोला भाला था, that I had done as a redone version. उस time पे I broke into top 500 of the world on Spotify. Right now I'm at 438,
Oh,
but that
nice.
time I was at 375 also. But really in terms of social media छोड़ के भी Big Boss से ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कि yesterday I was shooting for an interview in the hotel. A 77-year-old auntie on a wheelchair from Seattle just almost tried to get up and she hugged me and said, they call me अच्छा वाला गुंडा. इस शो में मेरा नाम रह गया है. किसी एक contestant girl she called me अच्छा वाला गुंडा कि भाई अच्छा है और गुंडा भी है. That auntie said कि बेटा एक एपिसोड नहीं मिस किया और मैंने अपने बच्चों को अपने पोतों को बिठा के उनसे लड़ाई भी कर ली है. उन लोग कभी तेरे साइड नहीं लेते थे तो मैं बोलती थी नहीं अमल सही है. एंड शी इज लाइक 5th पोजीशन पे जब तू निकला मेरे लिए तब भी तू जीता. मैंने ऐप वैप सब बंद करके टीवी बंद कर दिया, मुझे देखना ही नहीं शो.
are you going to launch a brand, clothing brand? Like what is
All these things, I think kids are looking for me to even put some merchandise out. All these
Nice.
things, I'm going to take his advice on it because I don't know what I am today. It's a mix of 7-8 things. Need to find out what the avenues are. अभी तो मुझे बहुत विलेन के ऑफर्स आ रहे हैं कि आप विलेन बन जाओ साउथ मूवी.
अच्छा वाला गुंडा.
हाँ बुरा वाला भी जो
बुरा भी.
So I'm saying if I'm doing a movie, अगर वो central character है, so I would also like to do the score, you know, because I'm really good at BGM. People know me only for songs, but I have to tell you, I've done 47 films with the biggest composers and scored for them. So hero की entry, villain की entry मैं सब बना सकता हूँ. So थोड़ी सी एक condition रखने की कोशिश होगी कि जहाँ मैं फेस रहूंगा वहाँ का संगीत और स्कोर भी मैं करूँगा.
I think ये condition ही होगी. This will be a added.
They will
bonus.
ask me themselves only कि आप ही
कि
करना.
देखियो बजट तो हमने सब एक्टर पे खर्च दिया, अब आप ही.
हाँ म्यूजिक हम देख
आप
लेंगे
कर
उस
दो.
बजट में.
हाँ,
बट
आप
सी हाउ लाइक अ विशाल भारद्वाज, संजय लीला सर, हर डायरेक्टर्स एंड म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स.
Yes.
आई थिंक मैं म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर विद अ परफॉर्मर शायद
Of
कर
course,
पाऊंगा.
like, there are people who've done that. Farhan Akhtar has done it. in
That's
the
what, he's
other-
the best example
he's
of
directed
all of it.
Also, he knows the music. He sang also.
Yeah.
And
That
you-
I think Farhan Akhtar is the only guy who's until a point any acting wise Abhay Deol who's taken that alag route and proved himself. I think
Yeah.
वो जर्नी तो सर नाउ 35 साल ना मैंने हमेशा किया मैं डिसाइड करूंगा ये करेंगे वो करेंगे.
हाँ.
अब जो फ्लो हो रहा है जैसे आ रहा है आई विल मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन. बट फॉर माय फैंस आई एम लाइक गोना बी पुटिंग आउट एटलीस्ट 3 म्यूजिक वीडियोस अ ईयर ऑन माय फेस कि मिनिमम. बाकी जो जैसे टाइम परमिट्स फिल्म्स हो रही भी है बट 3 times in there I want to come and you know for them bring my face, bring that song. And now I'm planning like an India tour which is like a give back to my fans.
Hey.
कि 10 years of Amal Malik हुआ है, now it's for the fans. You go to smaller, not taking any of the big metropolitans,
Nice.
taking all the small towns and going to the common audience and loving them, meet and greet and celebrating
So
the music.
look forward to your tour. How do you define success at this point of your life? What is success?
So you know what was success for me at any point in life? अभी का तो मैं सोचता हूँ if I could go to any restaurant and call 2 of the best lobsters. I was like 2 lobster आते हैं इस टेबल पे
तो
मैं
है.
सक्सेसफुल हूँ. मुझे और कुछ नहीं है. 2 of the most premium yummy जिसमें बटरी टेस्टी लॉबस्टर आ रहा है थर्मिडोर टेबल पे 2 ऐसे अपन हिट है फिट है सब सही है. Right now it is just my mom dad smile. If they are smiling
They're
and
happy with you
glowing,
guys.
yes, so then it is nothing is more important.
Are you into like when you have money, but it's not like do you shop for yourself? Is there a car that you want to buy? Do you have these self kind of things, goals कि यार मेरे को एक दिन ये करना है, घर खरीदना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, वहाँ पे घर होना चाहिए, ऐसे
घरों का मुझे बहुत है. I like I want to have the whole Pablo lifestyle, like fincas in every corner of the world.
भाई no wonder people say he's a अच्छा बुरा. Oh, what is that? What is that?
I'm Pablo इसको मार.
One moment in your life, in your career, that still gives you goosebumps. पहले का कोई?
There's so many. I think biggest turning point and that feeling कि shit I'm doing this और ये कैसे हो गया was MS धोनी. क्योंकि क्रिकेट बहुत मायने
You're a
लगता
fan
था.
of like a cricketer हो,
बिल्कुल.
fan of Dhoni
तो
and
बिल्कुल like that attitude also कि cool and composed but जवाब तोड़ के देने वाला बंदा है. I learned a lot seeing him be a captain and also those lessons helped in life. And कभी नहीं सोचा था क्योंकि वो फिल्म अनाउंस हुई थी as A.R. रहमान and प्रीतम दा, either of these दिग्गज level people doing music. कहाँ से इस 25 साल के बच्चे को वो फिल्म मिली? मैंने एक गाना किया और एक से फिर पूरी एल्बम की.
How did that happen?
It was crazy. It's just like होना था शायद.
Okay, now a couple of very questions that you can either answer from your own experience or if you have had this, you've seen it in your family or stuff
Yeah.
like that. When a composer or a lyricist or a musician or an artist reaches a burnout phase,
Yeah.
how do you cope with that?
I
Because
think
you've been through some, you've seen some happening in your family, I'm guessing.
fully, I think वो एक how do you say this? यानी creativity also has its flow and ebb. वो चलते रहता है, कभी कभी पीछे भी हो जाती है आपके thoughts. लगता है कि मैं करूँ क्या? How do I create the next one? That pressure is there. That pressure can dilute your creativity.
Okay.
But I would say luckily melody wise जो एक धुन होती है, lyrics में मेरे को बहुत blockages हुए कभी सोच के कि क्या लिखूँ क्या कहूँ in this song. But melody just flows. If I knew where it's coming from, I would have asked for more. I think my grandfather's blessed me with so much melody कि I just sit even without an instrument, it just flows.
Wow.
But there are times where I feel कि अच्छा ये music piece, the same violin, flute, how do I break these boundaries? Production point of view पे या thought point of view पे उधर we get really stuck. And there are days when like this Chale Aana which I said had 18 drafts rewritten till it became this 1 billion वाला जो भी गाना है. वो that fight is of the artist. You have to यानी even after you've arrived you have to believe कि भाई I'm debuting again. This song can make or break it. तो ये माइंड में रखते हुए हमेशा काम किया. बट इट डज. आई हैव सीन माय फ्रेंड्स कंटेम्पररीज हु थोड़ा बहुत बात करते हैं दैट व्हेन दे सडनली फॉरगॉट कि अरे हाउ डू आई मेक दिस सॉन्ग अ हिट और व्हाट इज द फॉर्मेट आई फॉरगॉटन. इट हैपेंड टू मी व्हेन आई वाज 4 months in this house. When I came out I was like, am I still a musician? Do I know how to make a song that will work? So these questions happen. I think an artist anyway overthinker होता है. You know, और मैं overthinking human भी हूँ, overthinking artist भी हूँ. So that can lead to a burnout. Plus, as I told you, in those years, my relationship, my overdoing of work, yani because there was so much pressure of, you know, loans to be paid also, I couldn't say no to everything. I said no initially and then I did a lot of films. Luckily, I got that genre showing space कि मैं हर genre का काम कर पाया. But I worked like a war horse till 2019 and then I fell sick. I fainted outside a studio. Full blackout and Raja Bhaiya was like my right hand. He's like मम्मी पापा के साथ बाद ही इज़ लाइक अ पेरेंट. ऐसे उठा के मुझे नानावटी ले गए और उसके बाद मुझे रियलाइज कि भाई हम तो रहे ना रहे, सीन चलता रहेगा, कुछ सब चलता रहेगा. आई हैव टू टेक केयर लिटिल बिट ऑफ माई सेल्फ एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड पुलिंग आउट ऑफ फिल्म्स क्योंकि एनीवे रीमिक्सेस इतने चाहिए थे. आई टुक दैट स्टैंड. आई सॉ माई हेल्थ डिटेरियोरेट इन 5 years. आई डन 85 songs in 5 years and then the rest 50 that came through happened over the next 3, 4, 5, 7 years. ये वाले रेंज में कि 19 से लेके 27 में 26 तक मैंने बाकी के गाने किए. बट 80-90 songs I had finished by.
You had to give health importance. Now do you work out? Do you eat right? What do you do for that?
Working out is happening. In Big Boss it didn't happen much क्योंकि I didn't like the guys who were working out. I would never go to the gym because I didn't want to deal with them. I was like इनका हो जाएगा तब करेंगे. बट जब तक होता था उनका जिम तब तक टास्क आ जाती थी. But I maintained on the food. थोड़ा बहुत I cut down on rice. बाकी I have small portions of everything and I
Nice.
work out.
Nice.
मुझे I feel कि मैं स्वाद ले लूँगा. At least I'll feel good about it.
That's good. Portion
Don't want to
control.
run away with it.
Yeah, because otherwise then you start feeling
क्योंकि
like
मैं
you're
वो
missing out
लड़का
on
हूँ
life.
सुबह if I get 7-8 आलू पराठाs with butter and lassi I am that's खाना तो भाई नल्ली निहारी meets आलू पराठा is life. All these things सुबह उठ के you know going to even लोग जा रहे croissant, omelette, chicken sausages. मैं बोल रहा भाई कीमा कलेजी है खाते क्या सुबह 8 बजे सुबह खाया.
One message to younger
They need to understand that
musicians.
हेल्थ पहले है एंड बट हेल्थ खराब होगी आपकी. यू हैव टू नो दैट ऑल्सो कि नहीं है कि शाहरुख खान भी बोलते हैं भाई बीमार हो खीरा डालो, ये सब नहीं है भाई, आपको लड़ना पड़ेगा कहीं पहुंचने.
Yeah.
बट वो एक चीज है दैट एडिशनल थिंग्स लाइक स्लीप इम्पोर्टेंट है एंड पीस ऑफ माइंड. ये लाइन में आपको इट डजंट टेस्ट योर टैलेंट और योर लक, वो सब है बट टेस्ट योर नर्वस सिस्टम.
Yeah.
ये
Test
इंडस्ट्री
you.
कहीं भी टेस्ट यू ऑन अ नर्वस सिस्टम लेवल की भाई आप कितना यू कैन स्टे इन द सीन
कितना झेल सकते हो भाई?
बी ओके कि मुझे अवॉइड किया जाएगा या मैं हिट देने के बाद भी नहीं फोन आएगा. इट्स हैपेंड टू द बेस्ट. समवन लाइक प्रीतम आई हैड स्पोकन, आई ऑलवेज स्पीक आउट हिम बिकॉज़ आई थिंक ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट. कि 2004 से 25 तक ऐसी कोई एल्बम नहीं है कि जिसने एक सुपर हिट या 2 सुपर हिट उन्होंने नहीं दिया. बट आफ्टर डूइंग अ धूम मचाले, इफ ही डिडंट हैव वर्क फॉर 2 years, कैन यू इमेजिन?
Crazy.
It was Gangster which saved and made a career for him later, 2 years later. So धूम मचाले करने के बाद इस इंडस्ट्री में लोग भूल जाते हैं. तो मैं या R.D. Burman, anyone, we're all transient industry about. You have to be prepared कि जब आप इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक कर रहे हो, वहाँ से आप सक्सेसफुल हुए, ऑडियंस ने आपको प्यार दिया, दैट इज द एडवांटेज टुडे यू किड्स हैव. You'll have Instagram, you'll have YouTube, you'll have social media, Snapchat. आप कहीं भी गाना गा के you can make an audience, sell tickets and they'll come for your show. Irrespective of any big star being on it. वो है तो बोनस है. मेरे भी सपने हैं कि शाहरुख खान हो गाने में या अक्षय कुमार हो. It obviously catapults the song on a big level. फिल्म कंपोजर बनने के लिए आपको अपनी रातों की नींद हराम करनी है. आपको लोगों के ताने सुनने हैं. सुपर हिट देने के बाद भी डाउट्स करेंगे लोग कि कैन यू डिलीवर अगेन. टेकिंग ऑल दैट इन योर स्ट्राइड, having decent healthy food habits and sleep habits, it's only then you can push through this. नहीं तो you will become like me, you realize a little late.
Maybe they want to become like you. Then
You become like me, but then you know, then you have to deal with what all I have become. यानी process बहुत hard है. बाहर से आपको डायमंड दिख रहा है, अंदर बहुत छिला और यानी बहुत
lots of process.
चने चबाते हुए ऊपर आया बंदा.
नाको चने चबाए.
स्टील के चने, मेटेलिक चने.
Okay.
गाड़ी चलाना.
Are you
Let's
ready?
go.
Rapid fire.
Let's go.
You can't look.
I'm not saying I'm not.
All right.
मैं कभी
Yeah,
नहीं
look at
लिखता. I
me.
love this
Okay.
segment anyway.
One song of yours you secretly wish people hyped more.
Hyped more. It's a song called ख्वाहिशें from Calendar Girls, sung by Arijit.
थोड़ा सा गाइए.
कहाँ ले आई ख्वाहिशें, है दर्द की ये जो बारिशें, है गलती दिल की या फिर है वक्त की ये साजिशें.
Guys, go look for this song and now just hype it. इनकी जो wish है उसको पूरी कर दो. Okay. A red flag you used to ignore, but now with time and experience you don't ignore it anymore.
I think in all factors of life I was very reactive and I've learned through being in this show with 18 different mindsets how to respond to things than react. बहुत instant reaction था life में, वो थोड़ा कम हुआ है.
Heartbreak hits harder at 2 a.m. or 2 p.m. When does it hit harder?
I think heartbreak hits a musician every second, in every note and every lyric. तो मेरे लिए टाइम नहीं है, वो एक अरसा बीते जा रहा है अंदर. You don't even know how heartbreak hits artists. It's crazy.
One sound that instantly makes you feel like, hey, I'm home.
I'm home. It used to be Handsome who used to come to the door, his bark. But right now it is dad inside my house listening to some songs of mine only. I'm listening to my music in my house. I know मेरे पापा आ गए घर.
क्या बात है. The weirdest fan DM you've ever received?
It was a pickup line which was very funny. It was not a DM, that was सामने सामने. But she showed me that मैंने आपको ये DM भी की है बात.
Okay.
Which was, you smell like shit, can I take you out? You smell like trash, can I take you out? I was like,
you smell like trash.
You
can I
smell
take
like trash, can I take you out? I was like, are you like insulting me or complimenting me? I was like, this is weird. I don't know what to react to this.
Your favorite way to spend a Sunday morning?
On the beach, wherever I am, even if it's Mumbai.
Your comfort meal when you're low?
Dal chawal, dal makhani and rice. Always. And little butter chicken mil jaye to.
Oh, nice. One word that defines this phase of your life?
It's time to win. I think it's that.
Now, what is your way of a comeback when a troll says something?
I've responded so much to trolls. The day Rahman sir tweeted about my song, I started reducing the response. But I like to give it back. मैं tongue in cheek दे देता हूँ वापस. My hardest response was on the show only. Like one of the contestants told me, it was like some people troll you right then and there, ना?
Yeah.
तो बोलते तुम लोग अंडा ब्रेड खाते रहते हो ये वो सब. मेरे तू क्या खाता है गाली. मैं मेरा ऐसा निकल जाता है और अरमान फिर मेरे को लिंक भेजता है. Please delete this, is too much.
Your favorite memory of Bigg Boss? Favorite memory?
I think the day I and Shehbaz and I did a चोरी. मेरी कैप्टनसी के दौरान घर के सारा सामान, शुगर, सॉल्ट, लोगों के कपड़े सब चुरा लिए थे. एंड पूरे घर को नहीं पता था. शाम को मैंने खुद बताया, सर हाँ मैंने चोरी कर ली, उखाड़ लो. That was the best moment.
Nice. One emotion you still struggle to put into music. This could be any emotion. I think anger also you can put.
I think there has not been an angry song yet. There has been a self-belief, uplifting song, but a total crazy गुस्सा वाला गाना जैसे या जो मेरा जी करदा मर जाने, ऐसा कुछ मैंने बनाया नहीं है. So something like that I would love
nice.
to do.
Your go-to escape when everything feels overwhelming. So music, ये stardom, what is your escape?
मेरे घर का बेड, एक प्यारा सा डुवे और एक मेरा फेवरेट पिज्ज़ा है, कोरिएंडर पेस्टो चिकन पिज्ज़ा विद सम बफेलो मोज़रेला.
So you've ordered it in.
ये आ गया.
दरवाजा
बेड पे,
बंद,
दरवाजा
AC on.
बंद, नारकोस शुरू और मैं खा रहा हूँ.
One collab that would make you say, okay, I've made it.
Oh damn, this is big.
One collab.
But I think even if it's not a collab, it's just meeting Hans Zimmer. I think I want to meet the man.
Say na, collab, Hans Zimmer.
वो करना चाहे तो ठीक है, मैं तो सिर्फ मिलना चाहता हूँ. I just want Hans Zimmer to see me once.
Oh wow. If right now your life
Yes.
had background music, what would it be?
अरे अभी
What would it be?
right now it would be dum 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 da da dum 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 da da dum. It's that only since few years. Right now also feels that. It's like now a relaxed Kabir Singh.
One thing people assume about you, but they're completely wrong.
They think I am too sure and too overconfident in life. But मैं अपने आप को overconfident इसलिए रखता हूँ क्योंकि मैं introverted बच्चा रहा हूँ और मुझे लगता है जिंदगी लोग सबको anyway नीचे खींच रहे, तो overconfidence से जब नीचे खींचेंगे मैं confidence पे तो आऊँगा. So I always
It's a good
I'm always
it's a
on
good
that-
defense mechanism.
yeah,
that
I
you,
feel so. I don't try, but it comes across as overconfident. But I'm always quite humble about it.
Bro, rapid fire, maybe you were on fire. Congratulations, well
Thank
done. You get nothing, just handshake. कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें.
ये moment ही काफी था.
So eventually, where do you see yourself? You have a family, you have kids, or you're this dude who's just gonna be? What is it? A solo journey? Or
Till
what's-
now, right now, it's been 7 years since I like that relationship. के बाद I never got.
Oh my
into
God!
it.
So you're fully single and like,
Yeah, and then
and it's your roar time. Oh,
yeah, I
bhai.
think even like
Is it crazy? Are you meeting a lot of people and like lots of people are?
so I met an old friend of mine before I came to the show, and I had started getting feelings for her. But when I came out, even she said no. So right now back to being single. But right now it's the return to Pride Rock, I would say, because I love Lion King. Simba is coming home, back to music, back to things which people love, and that journey, individual journey, अभी मेरी शुरू हो रही है. बाकी जो सही वक्त पे जो होना है, I think I've understood that life is in a flow now for me. मैंने हर चीज ऐसे रखी है कि मैं ही करूँगा decide, ये तब होना है.
But-
अब मैंने जाने दिया. अब now whatever comes my way, I will just flow through it.
Lovely man. Best of luck.
Never saying no. Obviously family life, मेरे mom dad सब चाहते हैं कि कभी शादी करे. बच्चे इतने बोलते नहीं. मेरे dad ने warn किया था कि जब तक till you cannot take care of another life, never get into that space. So we talk as homies always. But he's always like, you always need a companion someday to, share your dreams and your struggles. But when the time is right. I think right now people just want to see my journey, and I also want to make that
अभी तो
space.
दौर है bro. अभी तो
I
शुरू है.
want
है
to
ना?
kill it, and साथ में कोई जुड़े, जो सही intention से जुड़े, then बिल्कुल open to everything.
All right, brother. Best luck for
Love you,
everything.
sir. Thank you. And this truly means a lot.
Now, I think your mom's waiting for you so that you can go for that 8-hour marathon shopping spree with her.
Oh, God.
क्यों दुबई आए हो तुम? अलग-अलग malls पे जाना है, prices को compare करना है. You have a long day. I'm going to go drop you, yeah?